Welcome to Vale dos Pinheiros, an exclusive development nestled in the heart of Quinta do Lago, one of the Algarve's most prestigious resorts. This tranquil community of 55 homes is surrounded by beautifully landscaped gardens, offering a serene and private retreat. Here, residents enjoy a host of exceptional amenities, including a large swimming pool, a tennis court, children's playground, and the highly regarded on-site Limoni Italian restaurant. Hello, I'm Sandra from Mapro Knight Frank. Please take your time to look around this charming end-unit, 3-bedroom townhouse with private garden. Step inside to discover the spacious entryway with practical storage leading to a fully equipped kitchen with a breakfast bar. The bright and airy lounge and dining are flow seamlessly onto the outdoor terrace, offering a perfect blend of indoor and outdoor living, creating the perfect setting for al fresco summer dining. On the ground floor, you'll find a well-appointed bedroom with fitted wardrobes and direct access to the garden, as well as a convenient guest bathroom. Upstairs, there are 2 generous ensuite bedrooms, including the main bedroom suite. Both rooms feature fitted carpets and private terraces, perfect for enjoying morning sunshine and tranquil views. With its prime location, this home offers convenient access to the Quinta do Lago water sports lake and the campus, a world-class sports hub. Whether you're seeking a permanent residence, a holiday escape, or a smart investment, this townhouse combines luxury, privacy, and an unbeatable lifestyle. Discover the best of Quinta do Lago at Vale dos Pinheiros. For more information on this property, check on our website reference 2724 or contact us today to schedule your viewing. Thank you for watching.